everyone. It's Mepenausher here, and today I will be sharing with all of you the truth about Major Mackenzie Carver. I reckon most of you are already familiar with the theory that Major Carver is the mole within Requiem that keeps leaking information to the enemy, but, in light of some recent intel from the newly released Season 3, we are able to uncover something more regarding the Major. When killing special enemies, they will have a chance to drop a document mentioning Carver being spotted in the streets of Sarajevo, Bosnia, which at the time was still a part of the Socialist Federal Republic of Yugoslavia. So not only is he a mole working for Omega/the Soviets, he's also a based Bosnian.
Našu Bosnu čuvamo, pjevaj Bosnu dušmani nek znaju da se lako ne damo. Pjevaj Bosnu dušmani nek znaju da se lako ne damo. Sarajevo, Rogatica, Višegrad, Vlasenica, tu mi leže pokraj srca. Zvornik, Tuzla, Kalesija, Devetak i Seljak, svaki borac veselja.